Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing another video on how to fix the dialogue error in Assassin's Creed Unity, and this usually occurs when you don't have the sound pack installed in the directory of the Unity game. So what you gotta do is you gotta download the sound pack, English sound pack from the internet. So first you gotta go to the link provided in the description. It's a Google Drive link, so it would be really easy to access the file and that sort of stuff. So what you're gonna do is select all these files and download them. Download them and save it to your PC. And after that, what you're gonna do is you know you have to get the files. Yeah, this is the file. So what you gotta do is so simple. You first have to locate the file directory. So just open file location and then soundtrack PC. And I have already copied it in here. So what you gotta do is just select and drag it down here. So it will start extracting and it will copy it from the folder. You know, look at this, from the folder to the soundpad folder in Assassin's Creed Unity. So basically that's it. You can now play Assassin's Creed Unity with sound in the dialogue in the skip scene. And thanks for watching guys. Goodbye.